we have our women's
yes, we do.
match, the return of Sasaki. Yeah, buddy. Sasaki back in the house, getting ready to go one-on-one with Mama Hannah for that East Tennessee Women's Championship. This has been a big build-up between these two. These two, Mama Hannah has wanted Sasaki for months.
I think they both wanted each other since the title.
I think that they did too, but Mama Hannah has called out Sasaki so many times. This is going to be a great match, Malik.
Well, it's been a while since the title's been up for grabs here at the Chucky Dome for the female title here.
It has been. And of course, we love the women's championship here. My daughters love it. They watch it with me. They're going to have a hard time picking between these two, because I know they both like Mama Hannah and they both like Sasaki. These are two women that have kind of run roughshod and run a few people out.
And once again, we're confined in the cage.
Contest is scheduled for one fall, and it's for the SOM Women's Championship. Introducing first, the challenger, Sasaki. And her opponent, she is the reigning SOM Women's Champion, Mama Hannah.
From behind.
Starting it right off the bat, Sasaki jumping her from behind.
I mean, she's already got blood in her mouth already, ready to go.
No love lost between these two.
None. Like you said, this is not the first time these guys have crossed paths.
No. And Mama Hannah, of course, been calling her out for weeks. And Sasaki came in here to show her that that was a bad idea. Wow! Oh!
Not even a one count.
Kicking out.
Not even a one count. That's usually how she finishes her matches.
Oh!
And that
big knee in the corner. Mama Hannah pulling her out of the corner. Sasaki.
Looks like she hurt her shoulder also.
Bad place. Mama Hannah going up to the second rope. Sasaki says, no ma'am. This is the turnbuckle.
And we got a partisan crowd here. You know, like you said, it's half and half.
It really is. But these guys have talked it up for so long. This has been a match that I've been ready to see for a long time.
Well, now the mockery is starting to begin, you know. Now she's just...
Because we've talked about it. I mean, every time that these two ladies have been in the ring and we've gotten an opportunity to call one of their matches, we've always talked about how rough and tumble these two are and how hard they hit and how, I mean, they remind me of, Moolah and Mae Young.
That's right.
And these are two ladies that are absolutely prepared to beat the hell out of each other in a cage. And Sasaki showing her why that was a bad call.
Well, there's a lot of guys that are in the back that would not want to take on these ladies here.
Oh, absolutely not.
And we've seen many times here the intergender matches, the guys have been destroyed by these females here.
Oh, for sure. The women in this company are not to be messed with. Oh! Sasaki came in here to beat the hell out of Mama Hannah.
The remnants of our first match here.
Scratching her back.
Nice strike right to the face.
Oh, just fish hooking her. Mama Hannah has not been handled like this since she's had the title. And I don't know that we've seen anybody handle Mama Hannah like this.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. Not here.
Sasaki. Oh! Mama Hannah trying to get some sort of momentum going, but Sasaki just says no. Not going to happen here.
She wants to have that title around her waist.
Well, of course. And the title came in after, Sasaki had been here. And it was weeks and weeks later that all of a sudden we've got a women's champion. Oh! And I think that Sasaki is a little jealous about that.
Well, it looks like the momentum might be changing. We'll see if our champion can capitalize on this right now. She's got to get her wits together and think of how she's going to survive now.
Oh, going after the knee. Sasaki been bleeding since the start. Setting her up. Oh, looks like she was going for a monkey flip. Mama Hannah showing the power. And oh, buddy. Sasaki just.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, buddy. Oh, my God. Sasaki came to play, Malik.
And there's nowhere to run, nowhere to hide, nowhere to go.
No, there is nowhere to run. In firm control, has been in firm control since the start of the match.
You know, it's historic that when there's cages involved, that usually kind of ends big feuds, like it's
right.
kind of the finale, and
oh my God.
That might be it for our SOM
Lost body
female
at the bottom
champion.
rope. Mama Hannah just pushing her off. Said,
That's
no,
still got a
not
count.
yet. Not even close. Two of the toughest women that have ever walked through these doors. Oh,
Well, wait a
this
minute.
is Mama Hannah's opportunity. Going to roll her up.
And that is got her. She retained her title.
Mama Hannah coming out of nowhere and rolling up Sasaki.
I think she messed her shoulder up.
I don't think this can be anywhere near over.
No.
I don't think anything got solved in that cage right there, except for Mama Hannah retaining her title because Sasaki, man. Wow,
Not too
Sasaki
happy
is
about this.
not happy at all. Oh, there's definitely we're gonna see that again.